Let go. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you are welcome to my channel, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are not here subscribe, just hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today I will be showing you how I get rid of my belly fat after having 3 kids. What I will be using lemon, 2 lemon, and ginger. I will wash the lemon, then cut it into 2 places, take the water out, slice the leftover, and turn it inside pot. I will still repeat the process for the ginger. Clean the ginger, slice it, put it inside the pot, then add water. I will fill it until up it cover everything.
Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs.
Just a minute, I will just take it down. I will say you don't have to do it that much. At least it will take you to 3 days. So that the lemon we cook will not melt, because we just boil it. I will turn it inside a clean jug, add the juice I press out, then add some 2 tea. Anything you have will be fine. Then close it. The next day it will be soaked for you to drink. Let this one take you 2 to 3 days, then boil fresh one again.
And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you.
The next day I will just dunk some like inside the glass, make it warm, and turn it in the bottle I will be using to drink it. Then I will start my morning routine. This waist trainer was too small for me when I ordered it. It is medium, but right now it's too big for me. You can see the way it expands. I will just go to YouTube and Google any exercise, home exercise of my choice. You have to do that, and Google any one you feel like you can do. I'm just showing you to tell you, see what I was doing that get rid of my belly fat.
Things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
If you are a busy mother, you want to get rid of your fat, I will advise you, if you can do this exercise in the morning, this ginger and Lipton thing, don't fail it. Always drink it. It's good. It's even going to help you too when you drink it in the morning and in the evening. Stop eating night food. Night food is not going to help too. I'm not going to lie to you. I eat junk food, I eat food, but when it's 6 o'clock, I'm not eating again.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you.
After finish my exercise, then I will just go to shower and rest myself. I will take off the weight trainer. You know, you are not going to see the heat. There was heat inside because the waist trainer is very thick. So this my body have gone so fast. Like, I was so even impressed. I didn't even think it's going to work like this. That picture is, you know, when you are doing something, you see you are fast, you just want to take a picture and see yourself. That is how I even take that picture. So I will just use bell pepper make salad. If you don't feel like eating salad is what you feel like you are eating, you just have to eat small.
Like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to.
I will be adding extra veggie oil and vinegar. Mix it together. I will eat it like this. If you don't feel like eating it like this, you want to add chicken, or you don't feel like eating salad in the morning, eat whatever you want to eat, but eat less. And don't forget to subscribe, because more video is on the way coming. I will be showing you how I get rid of my stretch mark too. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next video, and remember to stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.
Man's on the floor, people them applause, singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane, I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane, I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah.